In this part, you're going to describe the origin story of your company. So for example, the first thing you should mention is when was the company founded, but also if it was a spin-off of a certain, let's say, research institute or university or of a different company, because generally speaking, no technology comes out of nowhere. There's always a place, especially for deep tech companies, there's always a place where it comes from. So for example, you can write a company was founded in 2019 by, and then you list the co-founders. And then if it is a spin-off, then you mention that it was a spin-off, and also mention the backgrounds. For example, if you have a medical technology that is part of some university project, then you can mention where it comes from. You can mention the number of publications that are related to that topic that have sprung out of, let's say, a certain working group. Or maybe the entire project is the result of the dissertation of the CEO or CTO. Or maybe it is a spin-off of a different company because they were developing a certain process and now they have innovated and spun off a separate company just to pursue that particular innovation. So explain where does the innovation come from. And generally speaking, there's always an origin story. Even if the founder used to be an employee at a large company and started developing a certain software on the side and then decided to take that technology and turn it into its own company, there's always some type of story. And then when it comes obviously to the fundraising, which is usually very important when it comes to innovations, because especially in the deep tech space, it's very difficult to bootstrap a company, very difficult to self-finance. So usually there are investors. So very briefly, as you're describing when the company was founded, where it comes from, who it was founded by, what is their background, what is the origin. You can also mention how much money you raised on a very high level, just very briefly, what is the total amount, what were the sources.